Imagine waking up to find your business operations halted by an unexpected cyber attack, environmental disaster, or other acts of God, or just anything in general. It's a reality many companies face, yet few are truly prepared for. Are you ready to tackle such disruptions head-on? Do you know what the cost of downtime is for your company? Are you aware of how long it will take to recover? Natural disasters, cyber threats, and unforeseen disruptions lurk around every corner. Many businesses underestimate these risks until it's too late, and very unfortunate for companies caught off guard. A business impact assessment, or BIA, can be your first line of defense. A BIA can identify vulnerabilities and help provide details for a roadmap to maintain operations during disruptions. More importantly, a BIA can help identify the value of a specific line of business and corroborate RTO and RPO times. This roadmap is commonly called a DR or BC plan. Without a BIA, truly understanding the potential for financial loss and reputational damage are difficult. Think of assessments as a safety net. They help ensure your business can withstand unexpected challenges, safeguarding your future and reputation. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting specializes in comprehensive impact assessments. Our tailored approach ensures your business's unique needs are met, keeping you ahead of regulatory requirements. We don't just assess, we empower. Our expertise helps you navigate industry standards, helping ensure your business remains resilient and compliant. Trust Arrakis Consulting to help safeguard your future. Our clients have successfully navigated disruptions with our guidance. Case studies reveal how our assessments have saved businesses from potential financial ruin. Let our expertise be your safety net, and we can start by helping you with an unbiased BIA of critical lines of business within your company. From cyber threats to natural disasters, our tailored solutions have proven effective. Hear firsthand how we've turned potential crises into opportunities for growth and resilience. Our assessment process is straightforward and collaborative. We work closely with your team to ensure seamless integration, empowering you to make informed decisions for a secure future. Coupled with our business continuity and disaster recovery exercises, your company can really have a better footing in case of a disaster. Every step is designed to fortify your business against disruptions. With our guidance, you'll be better prepared to face challenges head-on. Are you ready to take control of your business's destiny? Don't wait for a crisis to strike. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit us at www.arrakisconsulting.com. Help secure your business's future with our expert assessments. By partnering with us, you'll help ensure your business's resilience and continuity. Let's work together to protect what you've built. Take the first step today and safeguard your future.